Hey, John Crestani here, online marketer and tech entrepreneur, and in this lesson, I'm going to be going over what is market segmentation, how it works. I'm going to give you some examples of it, and I'm going to show you how to use it to make money with real-world examples we'll be going over right here on the screen. So really excited to bring this to you. This is something I use every single day in my multi-million-dollar marketing business, and I'm going to show you how you can really leverage it and combine the different aspects of marketing segmentation to create a gem that'll not only ROI for you and your business, but it'll really help differentiate you versus the competitors. Let's get it. Hey, John Crestani here, and I've been doing marketing for over 10 years now. I've built 3 businesses that do over $1 million a year, and I'm excited to share with you what is market segmentation because I'm doing advertising all day, and this is something that sounds really complex. It's like big, fancy words, but it's incredibly useful, and I'm going to show you how to use it in your advertising or in your marketing to help your message come across a lot clearer. So first off, what is market segmentation? Now, market segmentation is basically take your market, which is one bucket, and be able to separate that out into other mini buckets so that you can speak to each group of people a little more specifically in words that they're going to resonate more with to help increase your sales, to help increase your click-through rates, and just increase the image and understanding of your company. Now, I'm going to go over some examples using my own main message, which is my business is in the business opportunity niche, meaning I am basically selling shovels. I'm teaching people how to start their own internet businesses. And I'm going to be showing you how I do marketing using this market segmentation in my own advertising. So first off, we have 4 different types of market segmentation. We have demographics, we have behavioral, we have psychographic, and we have geographic. Now, demographic segmentation is by the demographics of the customer. So you could segment people by age, you could segment people by gender, you could segment people by ethnicity, etc. But that's the main way of market segmentation there. Now, the next form of marketing segmentation is psychographic. And psychographic marketing is based on kind of people's desires. Maybe you have a group of people that doesn't want to spend any money, or maybe there are people that don't want to spend any time. The next form of marketing segmentation is geographic. So geographic market segmentation is calling out where somebody lives. You know, I live in Malibu, California, in the United States, right? So those are 3 attributes that you could segment people by. Now, the last form of marketing segmentation is behavioral, meaning you can call out people based on behaviors they do. So you could say, make money online. You know, you could talk to people who are just using their phones, right? You just want to use your phone, or you don't have a laptop, or even if you are constantly traveling. So let's get into some examples for each of these using my business where I'm teaching people how to make money online as an example. So an example of demographic marketing segmentation would be if I say something along the lines of teenagers, you can now make money online. Another example would be, I could say nurses. Nurses can now make money online, okay? Right, that would be a great example for demographic. An example of geographic would be talking about, maybe we say people in Florida can now earn money online. Or Floridians, did you know you can earn money online? It makes it a bit more specific than just saying, learn how to make money online, right? Because if you're living in Florida, you feel like the ad is speaking to you a little more. Let's go into the behavioral example. You could say you can make money on your mobile phone. And let's use a psychographic example, which is sort of something people desire. So you could say, make money online without spending anything, without spending any money. So if we put this all together, we can combine all of these market segments to create something really powerful that speaks to a specific group of people. So we could say, Florida nurses can now make money online without having to spend any money. Something like that. Or, you know what, let's make this even more powerful. I'm actually gonna sort of wordsmith this a bit. And a lot of people wanna make money online in 30 minutes a day. So we'll say in 30 minutes a day. So the way we could combine this into a great statement that would market a program a lot better is if we said, Florida nurses can now make money online using their phones in 30 minutes or less per day. Boom. I have a much better segment. It's going to get a much higher response rate than if I just advertised to nurses in Florida and I said, hey, learn how to make money online. Instead, I should say, Florida nurses, you can now earn money online using nothing but your mobile phone in 30 minutes or less per day. And that's going to be a much more powerful ad if I target it correctly than if I just use a very broad statement. Now, this is how I use market segmentation. If I was to do this in marketing, I would actually target nurses, I would target the state of Florida, and I would target people by their mobile phones. And that way, I'd only show my ads to nurses in Florida on their mobile phones, and I'd be able to speak specifically to that audience a lot better than if I just did a very broad sort of advertisement saying everybody in the world can learn how to make money online. This ad will work a lot better. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what I do, which is called affiliate marketing, my business makes at least $400,000 every single month, and I teach others how to make money online as well. And you can be an affiliate for me and sell my product and learn marketing at the same time. Then check out one of my other videos. Starting out with affiliate marketing would be a great place. That's a video I did. Also, I'd encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you just love marketing and if you get fueled up by it and you want to learn more. I'm aiming to be the #1 marketing channel in the world. I'm coming out with videos every single day. So hit that notification bell and select all notifications so that you know when I do live streams. I do impromptu Q&A sessions every once in a while. And also, if you want to be more in our community and learn marketing and talk with others, business ventures and whatnot, join my Discord channel. We have a chat channel on Discord, and we also have a Facebook group, and we have a subreddit where you can interact with other people, get your questions answered, learn from each other, and just meet people. So looking forward to working with you more and helping you grow your marketing or start your business, whatever it is your goal is. Hopefully you learn something. And if you have any questions for me, put it in the comments below. Have a good one.